Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hello my gingerbread and jelly, welcome back to JVLOGS. If you're seeing me in this shirt, that means I've done a bash video. So don't bash me and talk about or think in your mind, oh, he's in the same shirt, he doesn't bathe and he doesn't shower, whatever. Whatever. Well, let me get into the video. No, I realized that, from talking to friends over so many years, giving them advice and stuff like that, giving myself advice, going through my own issue and personal issues that I face sometimes on a day-to-day basis. I realize that people make promises to themselves that they can't keep, and I think that's where most of us go wrong. We make promises to ourselves that we can't keep, and then we tend to pressure ourselves and be depressed, and we move from a situation where we were here at this good, nice level to down here where we're sad, depressed, and angry at ourselves. And I think it's induced stress. We induce that stress and it makes us worse. Now, if we're going through a situation, say for example, you break up and you love that person and you tell yourself, oh, that person treat me bad, I'm not going back to them, I'm not going back with them, I'm not having sex with them, I'm not going to go out to any parties, I'm not going to talk to that friend anymore because she used me or she steal my stuff. And then you see yourself with that person again, you see yourself having sex with that person again, you see yourself shopping with that person again. And then you look back at the promise that you made to not do it, and then you get depressed. No. To remedy that situation, you have to practice these things. You have to practice and tell yourself, hey, I am going to try my best to not be in that situation again. And when you say I'm going to try my best, you're going to put it into practice, right? Because you're tasking yourself now to not do it again each and every day. Each time the situation arises, you turn it down. That is practice. You're putting it into practice until it becomes perfect, until you stop doing it. But promising yourself, oh, I'm not ever talking to you again. Ding 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 ding. Hey boo, what's up? I miss you. No, fam, you cannot do that. So giving yourself a task to do, continuously on a situational basis whenever the situation arises, I think that is a better approach to dealing with the issue instead of promising yourself. A promise is like, hey, I'm not going over that bridge. That's it. I'm not doing it. I'm afraid of heights. I'm not doing it. Oh shoot, an avalanche or a tsunami coming, and you see yourself running over that bridge. You forgot about the heights and everything, and you're running over that bridge to save your life. But you promise yourself a while ago that you won't ever go across that bridge, but situation happen. So things happen in life that set us back, so we have to not pressure ourselves with promises. Instead, task yourself by practicing to not do it, practicing to overcome it, practicing to get by it day by day, practicing to reject certain offers, practicing to not do things that we normally do. So instead of promising, put it into practice. So instead of promise, put it into practice. So that's where I'm going to end this video. If you find this interesting, if you find this of importance, tell me in the comments below, share with me things that you have been through that you promise yourself, and it don't have to be personal, it could be general stuff. And try this and see how it works out for you. If you have already done this or internalized stuff and done this, then share that with me. That would be great. I would know that I'm not alone, stuff like that. So yeah, thanks for watching JVLOGS again, guys. I really appreciate you. Thanks to all the subscribers, the new subscribers, everybody. Remember to subscribe and share for more. Thanks a lot, guys. I'm out.